Catherine?
Gwendolyn, do you know Carolyn Roth?
Yes. She reminds me of you. So, whatever your friend Carolyn has planned stops here. Tell me what Carolyn has on my son.
Her plan to embarrass Tracy has failed. That's what has your daughter pissed off, John.
Gwendolyn, what on earth are you doing here?
Well, my son James is engaged to Ashley, so I came here to Richmond to support her friend Tracy. Imagine my surprise to find out your daughter attempted to sabotage this event.
I'm sure there's some misunderstanding.
You will listen. Child, take your hands off of your imagination. No one is in this room but you and me. And you know you don't scare me. And I would think you, of all people, would recognize that I am someone that can make that dream disappear. Wise decision. You have become such a bitter young woman, Carol. There's nothing that you or anyone else could have done to prevent JD and Tracy Harrison from marrying. But you're so intent on using your energy to destroy something you have no control over. Gavin is in love with you, but you don't see his love because you're blinded by hatred. Until you release some of that hate, your heart will not have room for him or his love. If you plot anything further against Tracy, Ashley, or anyone else in this campaign, you will have me to deal with. And believe me, the devastation of Katrina will be mild compared to the forces that I would bring down on you.